Hello friends, good morning everyone. Welcome to Education Alwing. Let's fly with success. Today is 11 December 2020. This is our current affairs session. I am Sujit Kumar Mishra, your friend and mentor here to discuss and analyze today's current affairs. It is very much helpful for all competitive examination because current affair plays an important role in all competitive exam. So try to watch the session till end for your better knowledge and preparation. And those who first visit Education Alwing, please subscribe the channel for the upcoming updates. Okay, let's proceed. This was our previous three questions. We have to answer it fast. Our first question was, which country will host the Asia Cup in 2021? Sri Lanka, Japan, Brazil, or option D, Australia? The correct answer here is option A, Sri Lanka. Sri Lanka will host the Asia Cup in June 2021, while Pakistan will host in 2022. Remember, Pakistan will host in 2022. And in 2021 Sri Lanka will host this, and Sri Lanka is in news. The capital of Sri Lanka is, there is two capital, one is Colombo, another one is Sri Jayawardhanapuram Kotte. Prime Minister is Mahindra Rajapakse and President is Gotabaya Rajapakse is the President of Sri Lanka. Okay. Our second question was, who became the first Indian to win Formula 2 race? Jehan Daruwala, Lewis Hamilton, Hrithik Singh, or option D, none of these. The correct answer here is option A, Jehan Daruwala. Jehan Daruwala created history as he became the first Indian to win a Formula 2 race at 2020 in Sakir Grand Prix, Bahrain. Remember, in which Grand Prix? In Sakir Grand Prix in Bahrain. Okay. I hope you got the answer now. So proceed towards today's first question. First question of the today's session is, when World Human Rights Day is observed? 10 December, 11 December, 12 November, or option D, none of these. The correct answer here is on December 10. Okay. Every year on December 10, World Human Rights Day is observed. Okay. And the theme of 2020 is Recover Better, Stand Up for Human Rights. Recover Better, Stand Up for Human Rights is the theme of 2020. Okay. Next question. World Economic Forum 2021 will be held in which country? Japan, Australia, USA, or option D, Singapore? Which will be the correct answer here? The correct answer here is Singapore. Option D is correct here. The World Economic Forum has decided to host its 2021 annual meeting in Singapore. The headquarters of the World Economic Forum, WEF, World Economic Forum, is situated in Switzerland, and it is founded in, remember, 1971. On 1971. World Economic Forum is founded. Okay. Next question. Who is elected as President of International Golf Federation? Peter Davidson, Annika Sorenstam, Simran Kaur, or option D, none of these. The correct answer here is option B, Annika Sorenstam. Recently, the International Golf Federation elected Annika Sorenstam as its new president, and effective from January 1, 2021, because acting president from January 1. Okay. And he succeeded by Peter Davidson. Remember, succeeded by Peter Davidson. You can see here the image of Annika Sorenstam. I hope you got the answer now. Next question. What is India's revised GDP growth according to Fitch rating? Minus 10.5%, minus 9.4%, minus 8%, or option D, minus 7%. The correct answer here is option B here, minus 9.4%. The Fitch rating has revised the GDP growth rate for India in its global economic outlook, and now expect the contraction of the 9.4% for 2020 and 21, the financial year 20 and 21. Okay. And previously estimated minus 10.5%, but recently it is revised at minus 9.4%. Okay. I hope you got the answer now. Next question. Nomura expect which country to be the fastest growing economy in Asia in financial year 2021? India, China, Nepal, or option D, Sri Lanka? The correct answer here is our country, India. Option A is correct here. The Japanese research and brokerage house Nomura that is a Japanese research house, okay, has projected India to be the fastest growing Asian economy in 2021. Okay, you can see here the forecast of the real GDP list here. Okay, question number 6. Which bank has recently launched Atmanirbhar Women Gold Scheme? SBI, PNB, BOB, or option D, HDFC Bank? The correct answer here is Bank of Baroda. So option C is correct here. Recently, the Bank of Baroda has recently launched the Atmanirbhar Women Scheme as a part of its Baroda Gold Plan. Baroda Gold Plan. Okay. Next question. Who has replaced the Maldives as host of 2023 Indian Ocean Island Games? Madagascar, Sri Lanka, Nepal, or option D, none of these? Which will be the correct answer here? Can you guess the answer here? The correct answer here is option A, Madagascar. Okay, recently Madagascar has replaced the Maldives as the host of 2023 Indian Ocean Island Games due to concern about the COVID-19 pandemic. It is due to the COVID-19 pandemic. The previously it is decided the Maldives will host these games, but recently Madagascar replaced Maldives, and recently this game will be going to be held in Madagascar. Okay. Next question. Who is appointed as World Squash Federation President? Jena Ulrich, Benjamin Netanyahu, Ritik Singh, or option D, none of these? The correct answer here is option A here, Jena Ulrich. Recently, Jena Ulrich from England, she is from England, has been elected as the World Squash Federation President. She will become the 10th WSF President. 10th WSF President. Okay, you can see here the image of Jena Ulrich. And the headquarters is situated in the WSF. The headquarters is situated in Hastings, UK, in United Kingdom, and it is established in 1967. The World Squash Federation established in 1967. I hope you got the facts also now. Next question. Paolo Rossi passed away. He was related to which sports? Football, tennis, badminton, or option D, chess? The correct answer here is option A, football. Paolo Rossi, the footballer who played Italy win the 1982 World Cup, recently passed away in December 2020. Okay, related to football games. Next question. Last question of the today's session. This is question number 10. Which state recently launched its Eco Retreat program? Odisha, Bihar, West Bengal, or option D, Rajasthan? The correct answer here is Odisha. Recently, Odisha Tourism launched its flagship Eco Retreat program at 5 locations of the states. Okay, Odisha is in news. The capital of Odisha is Bhubaneswar. Chief Minister is Mr. Naveen Patnaik, and Professor Ganeshi Lal is the governor of Odisha. Okay, I hope you got the facts also now. As per you know, this is our question of the day, and you have to give the answer in our comment section, and we will discuss this answer in our upcoming session. Okay, our first question is, who is appointed as first CEO of the WHO Foundation? Our second question is, who has been named as Female World Athlete of the Year 2020? Please try to answer more in comment section. Thereby regular practice is done by you. It is very much helpful for your competitive examination. If you like the session, then you can share it in your educational related group. Thereby many students got help. And those who first visit educational wing, please subscribe the channel for the upcoming updates. Okay, thank you. Have a great day.